Evan, look at Grandma.
Yep.
He's looking at Daddy. Look at
Okay. Okay.
Look at how cute he is. Evan. Evan, look at Grandma.
She's like, I'm gonna wait till after all the holidays to start looking at the camera.
Oh, jeez.
I'm like, Janice is coming. You're doing it.
Why did she want to wait till after the holidays?
That's the point. I told her. I said, that's the point. Are you videotaping it again?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh no.
Why is this water running?
I don't know. You turned it on.
No, I didn't.
Did I? No, I didn't.